Now imagine that a deck is thoroughly shuffled. The spectator then goes and selects any card at a number that they choose. Then after the deck is shuffled again, the performer uses the next two cards to predict the value and suit of the spectator's card. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a card trick that'll fool a lot of people. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll start off by giving the deck a quick shuffle, and as I do this, I'll ask the spectator to think of any number between 1 and 20. Now, for example, if the spectator picked the number 8, I would show the spectator, they would deal off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards, take a look at that 8th card, and put it aside. Okay? So now once a spectator knows the instructions, I'll shuffle up the deck again, and hand the deck over to the spectator so they can start dealing. Now let's say the spectator did select the number 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They take a look at the 8th card, and they set it aside. Now once that's done, I take the deck from the spectator and give it one last shuffle. Something like that. Okay. Now I'm going to use the cards to help me determine the suit of that card. So if we take a look here, the suit of the selected card was a diamond, and the value of the selected card was a 9. And of course, if we take a look, the spectator's selected card was the 9 of diamonds. Alright guys, make sure to go and check out the tutorial for this video once it's up, and I'll see you in that video. Peace out.